Hello, my friends. Listen, do you dare to actually make this plate with me? You do? So follow me step by step. It's an easy one, but it looks awesome and it's gonna taste even better. Here's a long skirt steak, about 22 inches long. I'm gonna clean it a little bit. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel. Listen, send my channel to all your contacts on your phone, okay? Send it. This is the best channel out there. Uh, I'm just cleaning here my skirt steak, taking all this fat out of it, but you can't take it all, but most of the big chunks you want to take them out. I'm gonna fold it in half here because for this plate, I'm gonna do like a strip. So I'm gonna cut this in half along the way, just on the long side, just like that. And here you have two long strips. And I'm probably gonna cut it again. But there you have it. There's your skirt steak, clean, ready for seasoning. And just stay with me. We're doing this step by step, and you will know how to do it. And you will be so proud at the end that you did it out of your own hands. Look at that. A super plate, surf and turf with churrasco or skirt steak, lobster, shrimps, mofongo. You'll see how it looks at the end. And you will say, I did this myself. So I'm gonna season this a little bit, but before I'm gonna use this meat tenderizer with the razors. I'm gonna just hammer a little bit all around so it actually tenderizes the meat a little bit more. This is optional, but I like it. So I will tenderize it just like that. And then I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on both sides. Salt and pepper. This is a 50-50 salt and pepper mix. And I'm gonna use this butcher's all-purpose seasoning as well. Just a little bit like that. You don't have to put like a lot. And finally, I'm gonna put some teriyaki marinade. This is my preference. And just a little strip like that on one side. I'm not gonna go on both sides with the teriyaki, but I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on the other side. So in the meantime, let's get the lobster tails here ready. Small size lobster tail, and because I'm doing like 4 plates out of this, I'm gonna cut them in half. If it's only 2, you can just leave it, or you can buy 4 tails. Just, I mean, you want to spend more money, that's fine, but this is a big plate the way it is anyway. So I'm gonna split them in half just like that, and that way I'm gonna have 4 portions total here. 4 portions. I'm gonna make 4 plates. Me, my wife, my son, and his girl. I'm gonna season this a little bit, not too much, just a little bit of all-purpose seasoning on the meat side. That's it. That should be enough. And I'm gonna get some shrimps ready here. 1620 shrimps, colossal. That's the size, and the number is 16-20. That's the perfect size for this plate. I'm gonna toss them a little bit here with some all-purpose seasoning, and they are ready just like that. Let's go outside. Here's my grills, hot and ready. Fire's on. So I'm gonna put my skirt steaks right on the grill there. There you have it. It's a beautiful day out here. Beautiful, beautiful day. My music outside. This is what makes life enjoyable. And I'm gonna put the skirt steaks right on the grill right there. And these steaks are really they cook really fast. So it's not gonna be more than 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So about 2 to 3 minutes should be more than enough. And then you're gonna flip them. Look at that color that is cooking already. And they look pretty. Skirt steaks strips. Look at that, beautiful. And people, remember to subscribe. Not just watch my videos, subscribe to the channel and share with all your friends. Look at that. Look how beautiful those skirt steaks look. So these are ready. I'm gonna take them out right now because I don't want to overcook this. Just take them out and look at how pretty that golden color. Look at that. Whew. Beautiful. I'm gonna put them away from the heat. I'm gonna put it on top here with no oil underneath. And I'm gonna go now with my lobster tails right there on the grill. Lobster tails, meat side down. Look how beautiful those look. And I'm gonna put in the meantime some shrimps right next to the lobster tail, just like that, trying to keep them straight like that. Beautiful. You can, I mean, this is optional, but you can use a bigger trim, smaller trim, but I like the 1620s for this blade. And I straighten them like that, put them right on the grill. This is also another thing that's ready like in 2 minutes. It's kind of, you just cook it 2 minutes on one side, flip them over, and that's ready. I'm gonna spray this with a little butter spray here, or olive oil spray. Anything that you have that will help give them a little bit more flavor and color. So I'm gonna spray them right on top of the shrimps and the lobster tails, just like that. And this is pretty much ready for a flip now. Look how beautiful those shrimps are. About 2 minutes. About 2 minutes and they're ready. You see when I flip and you see that beautiful color already? Ooh, beautiful, beautiful color. So this only needs like another minute, minute and a half on this side. And it will be nice. Do not overcook your shrimp. Please do not overcook your shrimps. They're so delicious when they are right on point. So about 2 minutes on each side should be enough. Do not overcook them. You don't want to both them. And this is pretty much ready. I'm gonna just flip my lobster tails here. Meat side up now, so the shell side down. Just to cook them all the way inside. And they are beautiful. A little bit more spray here on the other side. All over it. A little bit more spray. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I'm telling you, this is ready. This is ready. So I'm gonna actually pull my shrimps out because I don't want to overcook them. But who got pretty those shrimps? I want to take a bite. I want to take a bite of it. Yeah, I know your mouth is watering right now. So take the shrimps out. You don't want to overcook them. Put them to the side, away from the heat. We're gonna start getting all this ready for plating. I'm gonna do a little final switch here. I'm gonna put it meat side down again, and that's it. This is ready already. I'm just make sure it takes a little bit more color. So I'm gonna spray them a little bit more with the butter spray here on top, and that's it. I'm gonna give it like 30 seconds. 30 seconds, and that should be it. Check them out. That's ready. Don't overcook your lobster either. Check them out. And this is ready for plating inside. We're gonna go inside to plate this. Here we go. Mofongo, and if you want to see how to do mofongo, I have a separate video on that. Mofongo, then skirt steak on top of the mofongo, then the lobster on top of it all, and we're gonna garnish it on both sides here with shrimps. I'm gonna put like one on each side and one in the center here. And what else? A little creamy sauce all over it. This is Alfredo sauce with garlic, cheese, sour cream, cilantro. Beautiful sauce. Look how beautiful that plate is. You can't get that in any restaurant. That is high class, surf and turf, and you made it yourself with me step by step. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, share with all your friends and family, and I'll see you next time.